Hi, this is James with Super Bright LEDs. If you're looking for a flexible, customizable lighting solution for backlighting, signage, or light boxes, our LED light sheets are exactly what you need. When it comes to illuminating large surfaces, LED light sheets are a more efficient alternative to rows of strips. Unlike traditional panels, they can be bent and cut for exceptional flexibility. Perfect for retail displays, channel letters, light boxes, and surface backlighting. Let's take a closer look at what makes them so versatile. They're flexible, so you can shape them around corners or curved surfaces. Ideal for tight or unique spaces. Need a custom size? Just cut along the marked lines to fit your layout. Mounting is simple with the 3M adhesive backing, or you can secure them with screws at pre-marked points. To cover larger areas, connect multiple sheets using soldered wires for permanent setups or quick connect XH pin connectors for fast installation. With flexible design, custom sizing, easy mounting, and seamless expansion, these sheets give you full control over your lighting layout. Choose from a variety of sizes, LED densities, dimming options, and color configurations. We offer fixed color temperatures from 2700K to 6500K, from warm inviting tones to bright cool daylight. Perfect for hospitality, retail, office, and showroom spaces. For ultimate flexibility, our tunable white light sheets combine that full range in one sheet, letting you adjust from 2700K to 6500K with a dial or controller to match any mood or setting. Want dynamic lighting? Choose RGB for vibrant colors, or RGB+Tunable white for full color control, plus adjustable warm tones from bold, colorful displays to clean, neutral task lighting, all from one sheet. We have a selection of controller options to adjust your sheets. For projects demanding accurate color, our high CRI sheets render true to life tones, perfect for photography, design, or retail environments. All our LED light sheets are UL listed and backed by a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. To learn more or explore our full range, visit superbrightleds.com.